culture, Kurdistan and China. Are that the idea for the culture of Kurdistan?
It's a hard question, but it's also not that difficult, and because all the people in China here are friendly, and we share a same bright future, bright history, and we help each other. We admire the older people, and also I think some food is nearly the same. And I found that the language, I'm trying to find similarities between the languages. I find many similarities. Now I'm trying to improve my Kurdish. Then I will know more about the same.
Now at the University of China, 13 students for the learning Chinese. What about this idea at the Kurdistan about the Chinese language?
I think, and if they learn Chinese well, it will be good for them to find a good job, and with high salary. And some students, they have great dream. They want to go to China, and one of them, you can know today the one host is Baitian translator, and he even added a dictionary between Chinese and Kurdish on the internet. And his dream is to go to China, study, and then come back to help the people develop well here.
Do you have any message for the people of Kurdistan or students? They want to learning China?
Learn Chinese.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the local people learn Chinese from me on the internet. So I'm quite busy, but I like being busy. And when in the morning I run, and in the afternoon I exercise. Hazam la werzîş. And when I like sports. When I run on the street, when I meet them, they ask me, Mr. Hu, teaching me how to say hello. I say ni hao. So when I run in the street, many people say hello, ni hao in China. I feel very happy, and they teach me Kurdish.
You learn Kurdish?
Yes, yeah, sure.
You know?
Yeah.
No?
Yeah, Chuni, Bashi, Ahwarta, Hazam la werzîş, Hashim Dewe, and Dr. Lakwe, like this. I'm learning now. All the numbers, Yak Duse, Charge Bench, Shesh, all the numbers, and many names of the local food and vegetables and fruits.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.